But I lost sight of him again. He just picked me up, but
looking down, there's like this massive dead carp.
holy smokes.
It's probably like 30, 40 pound fish.
There he goes, finally. Thank you, buddy. My goodness, you're tough.
I get one out of the way.
Right? He didn't want to,
And I will say, like, I've seen a lot of crawfish in the streams and creeks, so that might not be a bad bait.
yeah, this is probably the male.
It's a nice fish.
It's not as big as a female, but thank you, buddy. I'll get you back to your bed there.